Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how to change best sellers in Wix. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So first of all, open your site editor, and right now I'm in my shop page and I want to change my best seller. So I'm going to selecting the product collection and clicking on manage products. And here you will get all the products which are uploaded to your site. To change the best seller, all you have to need, just open the product you want to add best sellers, and now scroll down, and here you will get this ribbon section, and inside of this ribbon section you have to enter the best seller caption. And then click on save. So this is how we can change best seller in Wix website. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.